everybody! So today we're showing you how to trace an existing carving that's already on a die. We have a very nice straight on picture. If you watch the bottom left of the screen, it will show you the commands that I'm using today and what they are. So first thing I'm going to do is draw a half box of the size that I need that my carving will be. And I IT in near point. Choose my image. And we have it on the screen in the size that we need. I'm going to change my line colors and my line thickness. One, to show you guys better, and two, you can also do this on your own to be able to see it better on your screen. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to trace our book using A3 and lines, which is LI, or just click with your mouse. And since the book is fairly symmetrical on both sides, we're going to window image this book after we trace it so that both sides are the same. Then we're going to A3 SA to make parallel lines, and LI SA to make parallel lines. These are our V lines. When you make a V line, you type A3 SA or LI SA, click the line you're using, type in the size you want your V line to be, which we'll use 0.1, hit enter, and then click on the side that you want your V line to be on. Now we're window imaging our book. As you can see, it's a little bit off, but we do go back and fix that. And if it's not matching exactly, or it's not going right next to the same monument, maybe it's not the same family name, they just like the carving, you can just leave it symmetrical and be the same on each side. Now we're going to trace our flower, and I will be using RC, which is radial copy, for this. The first thing I normally do is to get the diameter of my flower. I'll start with the inside circle and then make an outside circle and see if it matches. Older flowers are not exact all the way around, the petals don't all match, but on a computer I usually make them match unless it's just very obvious that they're not supposed to match. The first thing I'll do is copy one side of a petal, and as you'll see on this one, I do this twice because it doesn't quite match up very well. So I'm bringing that side in a little bit. And I'm going to do window image and then snap center of that center circle, and that way they are perfectly aligned. Still a little bit off, bringing it in a little bit more. Window image one side, snap center, RC, draw a box around that whole petal, and then snap center on that circle. And that will give you your exact petals all the way around. And if you do this and your petals are still touching, then go back and redo the petal again, deleting all the rest of the petals, and do RC again. Here I'm just scaling it to fit a little better. And now we'll go through and trace our entire image. Now that we're done tracing, I will copy the flower at the top and move it to the bottom. You may have to rotate it a little bit off the side and then put it on there, and sometimes you might have to scale it a little bit smaller. I'll cut my image off for the time being. I'll change my line color, and now we're going to put the lines on all the leaves. After all our lines are on there, we're going to use A3 SA and LISA again to get the rest of our V lines. Remember, A3 is for arcs and LI is for lines. We're also using object break to break lines and connect them to the others so that we have a seamless V-line all the way around. I'm using RM for trim and FL for fillet or fillet. There for the tips of those flower petals, I used WI window image and snap center of that circle and snap center the center of the petal just to make them uniform on both sides. going to change my line color again. Put my image back on there so we can see the lettering. I made a straight line across the bottom of the book to match the lettering, and I'm getting my center line from the bottom of the book to the top of the book. Add our lettering in the size that it needs to be to match the image, and snap intersection the center line that we have there. Then we're going to right click, window rotate, and near point on that side, that bottom line. And now our lettering matches. That's all for today, and we will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.